So today is Canada Day for all the Americans that don't know. So happy Canada Day to everyone, I guess. In this video, we're going to be talking about how Toyota made a big mistake by dumping Tesla stock. So this article goes in where, like, I'm not going to read the entire article, but Toyota basically dumped Tesla stock. So back in before they IPO'd, Toyota agreed to buy $50 million worth of Tesla stock. The two companies agreed to cooperate on electric vehicle. Tesla also bought an assembling plant in California that has been part of the joint venture between Toyota and GM. And then if we scroll further down, Toyota had 2.3 million shares of Tesla as of March 2016, according to the financial report published last June, valuing the stake roughly at $538 million. For most of the year, Tesla shares were trading more than 10 times their 2010 IPO of $17. But Toyota missed out even on more gains at the end of 2016, when Tesla's share price has surged by almost 60% so far this year. They missed way more than that, because Tesla is sitting at $1,112, brand new 52-week high. It actually went higher, went to $1,133. If we take out a calculator and we type in 2.6 million shares times 1,100 and just put $1,100, which would be $2.8 billion. $2.8 billion. They could have made $2.8 billion off of a $50 million investment if they only held on for another 4 years. Toyota made a mistake, and now Toyota is probably kicking themselves. I would be kicking myself. I sold out for $500 million of profit when I could have made $2.8 billion, and Tesla could go higher. I mean, it isn't a big giant bubble right now. I'm not going to deny that, but the bubble can get bigger, and as long as Elon Musk can keep executing, the stock will get rewarded, and it'll go higher and higher and higher. And one day, let's say if, Tesla became a $5,000 stock, right? That would have been, a $10 billion investment, a $10 billion return on investment from a $50 million investment if they, if they really truly believed in Tesla. Because, yeah, that's a lot of money from a $50 million investment. That's why, a little bit of money can go a long ways if you're gambling at the very bottom. And Tesla was basically at the very bottom, but Toyota obviously didn't believe in the company long term, and they sold out premature and lost out on some massive gains. So, yeah. Tesla overtakes Toyota and to become the most valuable automaker in the world. Toyota is trading at $171 billion, while Tesla is trading at $206 billion, a $40 billion more market cap than Toyota Motors, and maybe one day $400 million, while Toyota is sitting at $171 billion. So Toyota lost out big because they did not believe in Elon Musk for the long term. That's why I'm hoping that Elon sees this opportunity and invests into Electroma and help them grow as a business, because that little bit of money could be a lot of money on Tesla's balance sheet, especially if Tesla can get it at like $3, $4 and turn this company into a $100 billion company. That would be insane. That, like, or even a $50 billion company would make them Tesla's return on investment would be huge. So I don't know. I think Elon Musk should consider it, but again, I don't know if he will. Workhorse, I got a little excited when I saw Workhorse, and then I ran across this company called Solo. I was like, wait a second, this does electric cars, and Workhorse, they have electric delivery vans slash trucks, and they are valued at 1.26 billion, and only a few like a month ago they were valued at around $1.59 to $2.50. So I thought that rich people would come in, or the market would come in and pump up Solo, but that's not the scenario. I mean, there was a strange pump, and then it's been just let go. So I don't know what's going on here. Like, I thought, huge volume came in. I thought that the stock was gonna keep going up and up and up and up, but it didn't. It fell back, and now it's trading at $2.15. I'm holding on to my shares because I'm hoping a miracle happens and Solo skyrockets. I'm hoping, anyways. I don't know if it'll happen, but if I told you guys, Workhorse is going to go to $14 when it was sitting at $2.50, everyone would have laughed at me. If I told them it went to $18, everyone would have laughed at me. Nobody like, well, yeah, right. It would never go to $18. Now it's at $18. So, I mean, there's always that possibility that same thing could happen to Solo. I hope it does, but hope doesn't mean it'll turn into reality. But that's all I have right now is hope. And Workhorse is just so overvalued. If we look at the RSI, I mean, not overvalued, overbought. We look at the RSI, it's sitting at 96 RSI level. That's insane. Rich people just keep wanting to pump the stock and not let it go. So that's stupidly insane. Plug is sitting at $8.99. That's also stupidly insane. A $3 billion market cap. And just a month ago, it was sitting at $4. Now it's like doubled its value, and it may continue to keep going up and doubling its value more, making it more valuable. Shell this morning pulled back. Don't know if this is an opportunity or if it'll keep going down. I have no idea, but when a stock falls, it'll fall for a while, and the volume has completely died off on it. Just looking from a charting perspective, it looks like it's going to head down lower. There is a gap to fill between $17.40 to $25, so I think that gap will get filled. We'll see though. But yeah, Nikola Corporation still overvalued, $24 billion. Rich people seem to like this stock, or they're trying to trap as much retail investors as possible. But there's just so much negativity around Nikola Motors because like they make no revenue, and the current Trevor Milton's, they're all calling him a salesperson, a promoter, a crook. That's what they're labeling him right now on social media, on YouTube, on Facebook, on Twitter. So yeah. Beyond Meat this morning had a skyrocket because of a deal from Alibaba grocery stores in China, and then it got faded. This fade could be an opportunity, not financial advice. Netflix is up this morning, another $25. Tesla is in the race to see if they can become bigger than Netflix. I already talked about Workhorse. Carnival Cruise had a pop during the day and then a massive pullback. If you bought some put options at this pop, you would have made some nice coin. American Airlines, same thing. It seems like American Airlines and Carnival are like in the same boat. One pops, they both pop. So Aurora this morning is down 28 cents. Afria is up this morning 16 cents. Kron is all the MJ players are kind of up except for I guess Tilray and Aurora. Hexo, I guess Hexo is the same thing, is down too. And Organigram is, did I already look at Canopy? Yeah, Organigram is up 7.5%. And what is Canopy doing this morning? Canopy is up 3.84%. Looks to me could be a good put option play, but I don't know. We'll see what happens on Thursday. So yeah, Thursday will be the last trading day. Friday is basically your guys' holiday. Today the Canadian market is closed because it's Canada Day. So only the US market is open, and I believe Friday the Canadian market will be open and the US market will be closed. But anyways, that's it for my video. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe for future updates and have a great day. Bye.